Today we're gonna be playing some more Shotgun Farmers, because I had a very fun time playing this last time, and I saw the video got pretty popular. So they're gonna play some more and try to get the skins for the weapons, the Galaxy Sniper, the Galaxy Farmer, and the Galaxy Shotgun. I'm already at tier 15, I grinded a lot. So yeah, I really want to get those skins. Just give me a second, something fucked up in the game. Alright, we're gonna play, we're just gonna create a room. And yeah, I'm not gonna do with bots, because I really want people to join in to show how little does it make a difference when playing with bots and players. The only thing that can make a difference is when around 5 people join at a time. These will either be a group of YouTubers, a YouTuber with a group, or like a team for like a tournament. We gotta do GMOs because GMOs are more popular than vanilla rooms. So I'm just get everything. Alright, let's go. TDM. We're gonna play a little bit with bots. Is this recording? Yup. We're gonna play a little bit with bots and then we hope for people to join in. And you see I got the emergency shovel from the shop. The Among Us themed item. Why the fuck did they make the Among Us themed update? Well, you talked about it in the last video. About the recently added, this is shit, the season 2 of Cattle Pass, which I think you can figure out what Cattle Pass is. Well, this is season 2 of it, and it's space themed. And Inner Sloth, people who made Among Us, reached out to these people, and then they made it. Die, bitch. No people are joining, and I remember yesterday I played this game a little bit. I got a full lobby. I made the game and there was a full lobby. So I don't know why the fuck, am I recording at the wrong time or what?
Drop is here.
Oh, crop drop. This is not enough range to bring it down. Oof. Hey, I finally got one of the weapon mastery achievements. And that is for the watermelon G. Ooh, a double cob. Better could not be. If you don't know what weapon mastery achievements are, you have to get a lot of kills with one weapon. And my first weapon mastery achievement was for the watermelon G. Fuck you. Shit, let me get the Uzi. And Uzi has no ammo. Because of his shields, everyone's 30 times harder to kill. And why the fuck aren't people joining? I guess it's every time I record, it's a not popular time to play it. Yesterday was a full lobby, and I went against like a full lobby. There were like 2 people from Austria and 2 had the Welsh profile picture, the Welsh flag. So I guess there were a team of either YouTubers or a tournament team. They were playing really good, but I won't say like I managed to beat them. I was really close to beating them, but because of how dysfunctional my team was, they just plowed over us. They had coordinated attacks. They would bank each other up. Be aware of their surroundings. All the things my team did not do and did not fuck. What the fuck is going on? Happen? You want the shit? Come here. Someone's bombing. Oh, I got a triple kill. One of them was my guy. I need to find myself a weapon. Alright, I see a bow. And yeah, I managed to learn a little bit how to use the bow. And it still sucks extremely because you have to like aim ahead of your targets. And yes, it can do a lot of damage. It has a good ammo pool. The gun is the weapon is very shitty itself. Yeah, I was thinking of getting GTA 4 and then recording it. So tell me what you would think of that. Because GTA 4 was the first GTA game I ever played. I like remember asking my brother to help me find the free download of it. And I played it multiple times. And I played the what the fuck? What the shit? And I remember I played like the core GTA 4, not the episodes from Liberty City, like the Ballad of Gay Tony, The Lost and Damned. What the fuck is going on with this house? Like, I have not played those extensions, the DLCs or however they're called. I've not played them. I only played the core GTA 4, like the regular one with Nico Bellic.
Triple kill. Milking it.
And yeah, I had a very fun time playing that game, even though I did not understand anything that was going on. Now that I started seeing a few videos of GTA 4 on YouTube, got to my recommended page. I really want to play that game again. Yep, no human players whatsoever. I don't know if the OBS has any like influence on this, but I'll try and join. I'll browse the lobby. Yeah, not much people are playing. And they're playing shitty game modes. Yeah, as you can see, there are only 2 people. I'll play with these guys who play Crop Swap. I think Crop Swap is basically gun game. Let me just check it out. Yep, it's gun game. I was right. There's actually a lot of people in here. Oh shit! Yeah, there's like. Oh, there's only 2 people in there. Scottish guy and an unknown guy. Shit. Alright, now I have a double barrel. And I quickly climbed ranks, but I don't know about the Scott. Shit. I got the sniper rifle. Oh yeah, they're lagging a lot. Oh no, the Scott's gonna win. Shit. Better put my back into killing them. Where are you fucks?
You'll get a minute.
Shit, how much did I lost for like 2. Damn it, I lost for like 2 points. I could have beaten him so hard, but shit. Oh, we're restarting crop swap. Alright, I want to win. I want to win. And oh, I can also do, I forgot about daily challenges. They're all easy. I just move my desk a little bit. And, oh, and his name is Sweaty Killer, so probably he's a sweat lord. Sweaty Killer 11. Yep, that guy's probably. Ooh, we got a. Oh, we have a Serb, Sinisha. He joined. I think this guy is actually from Serbia. Alright, I cannot aim for fucking shit. But we got Sinisha who joined. Fuck you. Okay, I have to pick up the pace on killing. Okay, they're all in here. Okay, got him. Dylan P. Oh shit! What did he have? A revolver. Shit. I'm losing so bad. Okay, at least they got him. But Sinisha got. No, that was Dylan P. Ho ho! Kill of the ages.
Double kill.
I hate that when reloading the beat action you have most of your vision obscured.
Double kill.
Okay, now we are. Oh, right. Okay, that's the problem. If I just get a lucky respawn, I'll be able to win. Yeah! Fuck all of you! I won! Yeah, I'm not a toxic guy, I'll just applaud them. Yeah, I'll return to lobby and see what the other guys. Yeah, there's also the chicken hunt, which is prop hunt. There's a guy who's playing horde mode. I'll show that in the other video because it deserves a video on its own. Chicken hunt is prop hunt. You play your chicken, then you have to go fuck shit up and hope to God that the guy does not find out who you are. Okay, how long is it? 13 minutes already. So yeah, there won't be. I hope. Nah, I forget what I said. I wanted to say something, but I forgot. I don't know what to do. Okay, I'll do low gravity. Let's capture the pig on the same map. I just want to finish the daily challenges, then I'll finish the video. No. Oh yeah, this is gonna be the most chaotic thing ever. Give me the bow. Hit him. Yeah, bow sucks. I have Vampire Farmer on, which allows healing when dealing damage. killed my guy by accident. You fucking assholes! Just stop running away from me!
Your team go! Double kill!
Yeah, there's way too many of them, and there's a lot of flamethrowers. Okay, shit. Need to get one more kill. Okay, I got she'll throw kills.
I feel some rain coming on. Oh wait, no, that's just a crop drop.
Okay, we'll get the M4 bean.
Oh shoot, the other team's goal!
Fuck.
Double kill!
The fucking grenade did not do its job. And yeah, there's also grenade mastery achievement, which I'm very close to completing, but I'm not the best with grenades. Sorry for not speaking, but this is a little bit intense.
Someone on your team got a pig! Double kill!
Oh, no scope, bitch.
Triple
Get
kill.
quick scoped. Yeah, I have a godlike tracking in this game. Yeah, but the only problem is Uzi that don't do much damage. This guy has an AK.
Double kill!
Which I will gladly take. Because AK is one of the most overpowered fucking rifles that ever existed in this game. Because the weapon mentality works like this. The less the ammo the gun has, the more powerful it would be. But the AK just throws everything in the trash, and it's a medium damage, high capacity, okay fire rate weapon. It's the best assault weapon in the game.
Double kill!
And I like to group weapons like this. I group weapons like this. They're like support weapons and assault weapons. Assault weapons are for head-on combat, while assault weapons are for head-on combat, but support weapons are for, like, you know, they have like their own gimmick and they're to be used in their own way. Such as just give me a second. The sniper rifles are assault weapons. They have a gimmick to be powerful on any range, and you like have to like be far away to use them, but you can still use them on close range. But they're designed from far away shooting. Chicken run, shit. Shotguns are an assault weapon. Ray gun is a sport weapon. I think no, this is an assault weapon. Flamethrowers are also assault weapons, while sport weapons are something like P revolvers because they heal on shots. But almost everyone plays with friendly fire on, so it kind of went out of fashion to use this as a healing weapon utility. No one uses healing weapons because heals are just so conveniently spread out. And also the M4 bean, the M6 bean, pardon.
Double kill!
He's also a support weapon and also heals people. Oh, we got the guy to join in. Pretty nice. So yeah, it's also a healing weapon, but no one uses it that way, so it kind of became a mediocre assault weapon. What else is there? Let me just figure out. Revolvers, again, because no one uses heal weapons, also became a mediocre assault weapon. Oh, we also... Ooh, Dylan P joined us! Ooh! Nice! The guy like we fought in the last game joined us. Like switched lobbies or something. What did he do? Just gotta drop on this fool. Okay, I missed it. Oh, I killed my guy. Fuck. No scope. Miss. Well, no scope hit. Kill. Fuck you. I'll get the beat action. Yeah, I don't like lemonades because they were completely overshadowed by the onion nades when they were added. Yeah, lemonades are older than onion nades because they were first added in the crop drop update. Okay, this guy knows how to be hop. I know how to use self-propulsion to get out.
Here comes the crop duster.
And yeah, that also appears, the crop duster. See if I can shoot it down. You cannot. So the crop duster just shits out weapons. Okay, I'll cover my friend. I'll cover Dylan. Shit. Okay, hit him but not kill him. So I was just trying to get a drop on him, which I managed to do. Oh, another guy joined. Get blown up, bitch.
Minute left to go. Victory!
Yeah. Ooh, we got a Space Explorer suit. Yes! We're steps closer. Alright, I'll just return to the lobby. I just want this to be a little fun episode. Pardon me for burping. As you can see, we're slowly itching towards the first career. We stolen like their careers going up, so you can become a farmhand, country bumpkin, planter, rancher, master farmer, and mortal farmer. We had kills 5,000, almost 6,000 kills, almost 500 assists. I beat the dark side waves. I beat the dark side horde. Wait, fucking kill me. As you can see, we have this dark side waves. There's the horde mode that I talked about. Yeah, I'm kind of I don't know. I think I'm dyslexic or something. But yeah, I've talked about this a lot. I beat it like when it came out. Then there are like these two new forest side and grave side. I almost beat grave side. See, there's the zombies. How much zombies I killed? Crop up is dropped. Rocket launcher kills. See how much kills I've gotten over the years. See. So I think I got the most. Yeah, I got the most kills with shovel. So this is gonna cool. I want to change something of my interface. See, there's everything else. So you choose this, the Master Survivor. Yeah, but I don't know. There aren't like no good these badges for like your profile picture. There's like everything else. Then goes the countries, yeah, like Afghanistan, Albania, Greenland, Kosovo, which will trigger every Serb and every Turk, I guess. I mean, hey, it's the game. But hey, don't argue about politics. It's a fucking game about killing people with vegetables. Yeah, I got these. Oh, and also this exists. I did not saw it at first. But yeah, Puerto Rico. Wait, isn't like Puerto Rico? I don't get too much into politics. It's a game. Have fun. Don't worry. Be happy. Yeah, Terrorizer. Yeah, I don't know why they added the Terrorizer's logo to the game. I know they like added his. There, see, there's the Vanos crew. Delirious, Terrorizer, Vanos, Nogla. I don't know who this guy is, but he looks very, very, very familiar. So this is actually the first skin of the werewolf, then it's the second variation. So this is the legacy skin. Yeah, I found out there are like codes for legacy skins, and these are the legacy skins. This is the legacy werewolf, this is the current werewolf. You can see the difference between the two. Then there's legacy Santa. I cannot find the real Santa. I think he's locked like behind the update or something. But I can't find him. Right here, there's like the legacy snowman. I think you like need it needs to be like the. Yeah, I almost got this. I almost got this, by the way. How the fuck did I manage to get 81 kills with the bow? I don't know. Gnome outfit, which is a variation of the legacy outfit. As you can see, this is the legacy outfit. This is the current outfit. See how much their difference is. But yeah, I'm just gonna use my deep sea farmer. This one is also nice. I gotta admit, this one's nice. But I don't know. I was thinking of switching up my skin to something like this. But I don't really have any cool hats. And now I also don't have a lot of cool outfits. Space cowboys, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. I have to experiment off camera. But for now, I'm sticking to this. Maybe I shouldn't actually do this, but maybe I can do this. But no. The glowing eyes are a bit better. So yeah, I had fun playing the game. I hope you had fun watching me play. I know my videos are a little bit longer and tedious, but I try my best. I don't want to have a career in YouTube. I just want to do this for fun. So yeah, see you in the next episode.